Hey guys, I'm just finally got home, finally relaxing. We had such a crazy busy day today at our Crush to the Runway fashion show. And instead of just doing the live event, we decided to do something different this time because in the last year, we have gained so many customers and followers from all over the country that we really wanted you all to be able to participate. So we actually hired a videographer, and this fashion show is now virtual. So there are going to be more details in the caption because I don't want to keep you forever. But if you buy a ticket to this virtual event, you are going to be entered into some crazy giveaways, be given some sweet perks just for buying your ticket. Now, this video is going to be available for everyone to watch, but I'm just telling you, if you want in on the giveaways, want in on the perks that come automatically with your inexpensive ticket purchase, I really encourage you to grab that. You have from today until Sunday around noon to buy your ticket. And the video is going to air on Sunday, the 20th at 8 p.m. So this is going to be awesome. We're showing so many amazing fall styles. I had so much fun today with the video, and you're still going to get that education that you'll always get. We're going to be talking about body shapes, vertical lines, layering, how to pull it all off. And I really want you to be on that list. So if you're also on the VIP list, you're going to participate in a super fun scavenger hunt where you have to hunt around for different phrases that I say throughout the show. It's going to be awesome. Okay, go in the caption, read more about the giveaways, grab your ticket. We can't wait. I'll see you Sunday night.